The SCANPAN Professional 12.5 fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It's like having a reliable friend when you're cooking. This pan makes frying easy and enjoyable. The non-stick surface is super helpful. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You can even put it in the dishwasher. Plus, it's tough enough for metal utensils. That's a big bonus because you don't have to worry about scratching it. The SCANPAN Professional 12.5 fry pan is also safe for the oven. This makes it versatile for different cooking methods. This SCANPAN Professional 12.5 fry pan is made in Denmark. That means it's crafted with care and high-quality materials. It feels solid and well built. You can tell it's designed to last. The size is just right for cooking for yourself or a small family. It heats up evenly, so your food cooks perfectly every time. No more hot spots or uneven browning. Many reviews online praise its performance and durability. It truly stands out among other pans. If you're looking for a dependable frying pan, consider the SCANPAN Professional 12.5 fry pan. It simplifies cooking and cleaning. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys making meals. Forget about sticky situations and difficult scrubbing. This pan makes cooking a pleasure. And its durability means you'll be using it for years to come. It's a fantastic tool for your countertop. Ready whenever you need it. Pros: easy to use, non-stick, dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, oven safe, made in Denmark. Large size. 12.5 professional quality, durable, convenient. Cons: may stick if overheated, warranty can be difficult, heavy for some users, large size for small burners, low sides might spill, return shipping can costly, rougher non-stick texture. Some lines. Not ideal for all cooking. E.g. French toast features. Easy to use, non-stick, dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, oven safe, made in Denmark. 12.5-inch size, professional quality, even heat, durable. The SCANPAN Professional 12.5 fry pan is a non-stick pan made in Denmark that is designed to be easy to use and clean. It can go in the dishwasher and is safe to use with metal utensils. This professional quality pan heats evenly and is durable. You can even use it in the oven. Its 12.5-inch size makes it good for cooking larger meals. The SCANPAN Professional 12.5 fry pan is a large, professional quality non-stick pan made in Denmark. It's designed to be easy to use and clean, as it's dishwasher safe and safe for metal utensils. You can even use it in the oven. However, be careful not to overheat it, as food may stick. Some users might find it heavy, and its large size could be an issue for small stovetop burners. The low sides might also lead to spills, and returns could be costly. The non-stick surface has a slightly rough texture, and it might not be the best choice for all types of cooking. Like French toast, while it's durable and convenient, the warranty process could be tricky.